Can you really take an Italian lake cruise on a shoestring? What if I told you that one of the most unforgettable experiences, a cruise on Italy's glamorous Lake Como, costs less than indulging in a fancy pizza dinner at a tourist trap restaurant? Think about that for a moment. The stunning vistas, the fresh air, the sheer romance of Lake Como, all for the price of a meal. Forget the stereotypical image of movie stars and celebrities lounging on private boats, sipping champagne under the Italian sun. That's not the whole story. The real magic, the authentic heart of Lake Como, is actually found on the public ferries, where you're traveling right alongside the locals, experiencing their daily lives. It's a much more genuine and rewarding way to see the lake. The true breathtaking beauty of the Italian lakes is accessible to everyone, regardless of their budget. It's a democratic landscape, offering its splendor freely. It's not just reserved for the ultra-wealthy who can afford to charter private yachts and stay in exclusive villas. Step onto a public ferry, and suddenly you're part of a community, sharing the ride with grandmothers on their way to the market, students heading to class, and local artisans returning from selling their crafts. Not just throngs of tourists snapping photos. This is where authentic travel moments truly happen, where you connect with the place and its people on a deeper level. It's a world away from curated, expensive experiences designed solely for tourists. The shimmering azure water, the dramatic alpine foothills that plunge into the lake, creating a breathtaking backdrop, and the charming pastel-colored villages clinging to the shoreline are just as spectacular, just as captivating from the deck of a humble ferry as they are from a luxury vessel. The view doesn't discriminate. The key to unlocking this magic is simply shifting your perspective, adopting a mindset that values experience over extravagance. Because the truth is, the best, most enriching travel experiences are often the most affordable, the ones that connect you with the heart and soul of a place. So, let's unlock the secrets of budget-friendly lake cruising, revealing how to experience the beauty and charm of Lake Como without breaking the bank. Let's turn that seemingly expensive dream of cruising on Lake Como into a delightful, accessible reality. Picture yourself with a simple, delicious picnic of local bread, cheese, and fruit, watching the sun slowly dip below the horizon from the open-air deck of a ferry, painting the sky in hues of gold and crimson. This is travel that truly enriches the soul, creating lasting memories without emptying your wallet. It's about experiencing the essence of Lake Como, not just seeing it from afar. Let's bust the myth, shall we? We often see images of glamorous cruises and exclusive yachts gliding across the serene waters of the Italian lakes. These images can create a perception that experiencing these stunning destinations is only within reach for the ultra-wealthy, that Italian lake cruises are only for the rich and famous. It's easy to believe that the only way to truly appreciate the beauty of Lake Como or Lake Garda is by shelling out a fortune for a private tour. But that simply isn't the case. The lakes have always been for everyone, a place where history, culture, and natural beauty intertwine. For centuries, these lakes have been the lifeblood of the surrounding communities, providing sustenance and connection. Fishermen, casting their nets at dawn, merchants trading goods and stories along the shores, and locals relied on these waters long before tourists arrived, building their lives and livelihoods around the rhythm of the lake. Their connection to the water runs deep, a tradition passed down through generations. Today's public ferry system is the region's lifeblood, a network that weaves together the charming towns and villages that dot the lake shores, connecting communities and travelers alike, offering a scenic and affordable way to explore the region. It's a vital service used daily by residents and visitors. Skip the pricey private tours. While they offer a luxurious experience, they often isolate you from the true essence of the lakes. The real Italian lake experience is democratic, not exclusive. It's about immersing yourself in the local culture, sharing the journey with fellow travelers, and discovering hidden gems along the way. Challenge the myth. Ask how locals get from Bellagio to Bellagio, two of the most picturesque towns on Lake Como, and you'll find yourself at the ferry terminal, a bustling hub of activity where locals and tourists mingle, practicing your Italian and sharing the journey with people from all walks of life. Strike up a conversation, learn a new phrase, and embrace the unexpected encounters that make travel so rewarding. This is traveling through the back door, a more authentic and enriching way to experience the Italian lakes. Creating your own authentic adventure, one ferry ride at a time. It's about forging your own path and discovering the magic that lies beyond the tourist traps. Enjoy the same million-dollar views and fresh mountain air, the breathtaking panoramas that have captivated visitors for centuries, for the price of a bus ticket. The ferry system offers an incredibly affordable way to access these stunning vistas. Outsmart the system, the best things in life, like a sunset over Lake Garda, painting the sky with vibrant hues, are often free, or at least very affordable. These are the moments that truly define a travel experience. The Italian lakes are for everyone, regardless of budget or background, and with a little know-how, you can make them your own, creating memories that will last a lifetime. So ditch the myth and embrace the adventure. The secret to exploring the Italian lakes on a budget? Embrace the public ferry system. These boats are the local buses of the water, comfortable, reliable, and designed for scenic viewing. Ferries connect all the major towns and many hidden gems on Lake Como, Garda, and Maggiore. Buy a one-way round trip, or best of all, a day pass for unlimited hopping. The classic Batello is slow, scenic, and perfect for sightseeing. The faster hydrofoil is for those short on time. Grab a timetable, map out your day, and enjoy the freedom to linger wherever you like. Start in Varenna, ferry to Bellagio, then Menaggio for lunch. The day pass gives you total flexibility. The ferry ride itself is a highlight, offering ever-changing views and authentic local encounters. With Italy's public water transport, you're the captain of your own journey. Lake Como's ferry network makes it easy and affordable to explore its most beautiful spots. Focus on the Golden Triangle, Bellagio, Varenna, and Menaggio, all linked by frequent mid-lake shuttles. Stay in a mid-lake town like Varenna for convenience and value. With a day pass, start in Varenna, hop to Bellagio for a stroll, then head to Menaggio for a relaxed, budget-friendly meal. Skip expensive lunches. Grab picnic supplies and enjoy the freedom to linger wherever you like. Each ferry crossing offers new perspectives of the mountains and grand villas. You'll get the same breathtaking views as private boat tourists, but for a fraction of the price. The ferry hopping approach transforms Lake Como from an exclusive resort into an accessible playground. No rigid schedules, just pure, flexible exploration. This is smart, independent travel at its best. Lake Garda, Italy's largest lake, offers grandeur for every budget. Its vast size means you should pick a region, north or south, and explore it thoroughly with a regional ferry day pass. In the south, base yourself in Desenzano or Peschiera del Garda, then ferry hop to Sirmione and Lazis for Roman ruins and lakeside charm. The north is dramatic, with towns like Riva del Garda and Malsacene nestled beneath towering cliffs. Take the ferry north for jaw-dropping scenery, then ride the cable car up Monte Baldo for panoramic views. On Lake Garda, the ferry is the experience, shared with hikers, cyclists, and families. You save money and gain a deeper appreciation for the lake's diverse character. From sunny vineyards to alpine grandeur, the public boats make it all accessible. Want to enjoy the breathtaking beauty of the Italian lakes without battling hordes of tourists or emptying your wallet with exorbitant high-season prices? Imagine escaping the summer frenzy, where every corner is packed and every experience comes with a premium. The secret is simple. Travel in the shoulder season. It's the sweet spot between peak madness and off-season closures. Consider April-May, when nature awakens and paints the landscape with vibrant colors, or perhaps September or October, as the summer heat fades and the foliage transforms into a tapestry of warm hues. The weather is still beautifully mild and inviting, perfect for exploring the outdoors. The gardens are either in full bloom, bursting with life, or glowing with the warm, golden light of autumn, offering a visual feast for the senses. Best of all, prices drop significantly, sometimes by up to 40%, making your dream vacation much more affordable. During the shoulder season, you'll find better accommodation deals, with a wider range of options to suit your budget and preferences. You can also expect to find cheaper flights, making the journey easier on your wallet and more availability everywhere, from hotels to restaurants. The atmosphere of the lakes is transformed, becoming more peaceful and serene. The streets are pleasantly bustling with activity, but not overwhelmingly packed with tourists, allowing you to explore at your own pace. Even the ferries are more spacious, offering a more comfortable and relaxing ride across the lake. With fewer crowds, you can actually savor the tranquility of the surroundings, truly immersing yourself in the beauty of the Italian lakes. Off-peak travel also means more authentic encounters with locals, as they have more time and are more relaxed. This allows for a deeper connection to the region, its culture, and its people, creating a more meaningful travel experience. You can wander through stunning gardens without having to navigate through throngs of people. You can easily grab a coveted lakeside cafe table without needing a reservation weeks in advance. And you can enjoy prime, unobstructed spots on the ferry deck, soaking in the panoramic views of the lakes and mountains. The authentic rhythm of daily life returns to the towns and villages, giving you a genuine glimpse of the real Italy beyond the tourist facade. So plan your trip for May or September to unlock the magic of the Italian lakes. This is the best blend of value and authentic Italian experience, creating memories that will last a lifetime. By choosing the shoulder season, you'll be rewarded with lower prices, fewer crowds, and a collection of unforgettable memories that you'll cherish for years to come. Where you stay shapes your Italian lake adventure and your budget. Skip the pricey grand hotels. Look for affordable, well-located lodging in smaller villages or just a few blocks from the waterfront. On Lake Como, consider Bellagio or quieter hamlets on the ferry line for charming, family run-ins or budget-friendly apartments. Staying a short walk from the lake can save you a bundle, and you'll still be minutes from the action. Your room is for sleeping and recharging. The real views are from the ferry deck. Always check your accommodation's proximity to the ferry dock for easy daily explorations. Smart lodging is about balancing cost, comfort, and convenience. With a little creativity, you'll find the perfect home base for your affordable adventure. One afternoon on Lake Como, I skipped the expensive lakeside lunch and assembled a picnic from a local deli, prosciutto, cheese and olives, and fresh bread for just €8. I found a spot on the open-air deck of the slow ferry, surrounded by locals with the Alps and grand villas drifting by. As I unwrapped my meal, an elderly Italian man nearby offered me a peach, and I shared my bread and prosciutto in return. We sat together, two strangers sharing simple food and $1 million view in comfortable silence. That moment cost almost nothing, but it's one of my most cherished travel memories. It proved that the greatest experiences aren't about money, but about openness and connection. A humble picnic can become a feast and a story you'll never forget. The best souvenirs are moments of genuine connection. Travel like a local, and you'll find magic everywhere. Cruising Italy's lakes isn't a fantasy. It's an affordable, rewarding reality with a bit of planning. Embrace public ferries as your personal yacht, buy a day pass, and travel in the shoulder season for the best value. Choose smart accommodations in less famous towns or a few blocks from the waterfront. Pack a picnic and enjoy the best meal of your life on a ferry deck. These strategies enrich your experience and connect you with real Italian culture. The Italian lakes are waiting for you. No luxury required. Share your own tips and discoveries in the comments below. Until next time, keep traveling smart and savoring every moment.